Hello, my name is Luciano and I would like to show you the project I created for the first peer assessment of the creative programming course. Um, the project I created is called World Explorer, and the idea behind it is to show a world map that allows interaction with the users. This is the code of my application. I have a main class named World Explorer, like the project, and I also have a country class, and I'm using the Maxim Java API and the load images macro that was provided by the teachers of this course in the second lesson. So what I'm going to do next is to launch the application to show you how it works. Now it's launching. It will take a while because it has to load several sounds before starting, but the main idea is that after all these sounds are loaded, a world map is going to be shown in the screen, and you will be able to interact with this map to obtain some information about the countries. Well, all the sounds are about to load, so in a few seconds the application is going to be running. Let's wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, there's the information about the Maxim and the audio player that shows that 6 audio files were loaded. So here it is. This is the World Explorer. Nothing special. As you can see, there is a world map that displays here. This is a PNG image that I found in the internet, and below there is an information bar in black here, and the main idea of the application is to follow these simple instructions. So we are going to drag the mouse into a country to obtain information about it. When you start dragging the mouse, a couple of crossing lines with a red center point appears, and it starts following your mouse. As you can see here, we have the X and Y coordinates, and here in the current location we have a mapping, not so accurate because it's kind of difficult to map X and Y coordinates into latitude and longitude, but well, it's not so accurate, but it's okay for this project. So when we drag the mouse into a country, the interaction will start, as you will see, and let's drag the mouse into Australia to see what happens. As you can see, when we dragged the mouse into Australia, the information bar displayed the capital city, the population, and the language of the country. Well, we still have the current location in latitude and longitude, and we have here a power bar for the national anthem that started playing automatically. You also have here volume controls for the anthem. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to click the minus sign. Well, I just set the volume to 0. Let's raise the volume again. The anthem will start playing again if we don't do anything. And when you drag the mouse outside the country, all sounds will be stopped automatically. Okay. To achieve this, what I did was to create polygons, a set of polygons, and when the pointer is inside one of those polygons, the interaction starts. Okay, I just created 6 countries. Australia is one of those countries. The other I created is Russia here. As you can see, the information has changed dynamically. The national anthem started playing again. I also created United Kingdom. You see capital city London. The national anthem starts playing. I created the United States too. You can hear the anthem. I raise the volume for that anthem. When we drag the mouse outside the area, it stops playing. I'm going to show you that I created also information for Brazil. The anthem starts playing again. We can see also here the information that changes as we expect. And I will show you one of the features that this application allows, that is to add videos to a country related with a country. With one simple command you can add a video to a country. So let's see what happens when we drag the mouse into Argentina. Here you can see a video of Buenos Aires that is being reproduced continuously. And well, that's pretty much it. It's really simple, but this application allowed me to apply all the concepts that we learned during the first three lessons. I made some mouse interactions. I also investigated a bit about displaying text and displaying the time of the sound that is being played. I also was able to change the information in the screen dynamically, and thus I would like to show you how to add via code a new country into this schema. As you can see here, when I drag the mouse into India, nothing happens. The anthem is not being reproduced because I didn't create India as a country. So I'm going to stop the application for a while to show you how easy it is to add a new country and how the application reacts to this new country. So let's stop here. I'm going to open this text file that has the data for India. I'm going to explain you what this means. Here I have a populate countries function that creates all the stuff related with a country and adds to a list that will be available for the program in the future. So I'm going to add India here. With what I do is to add first a polygon that shows the x and y coordinates of the boundaries of this country. What I do then is to create the new country with all the data that we care about. I mean, this is India, this is the population, these are the languages, this is a capital city, this is the polygon that allows us to drag the mouse into it and listen to the anthem. This is the Maxim API, and I will also, I will save this, and I will also have to add the anthem into the data folder. As you can see, I'm adding this to the data folder of my World Explorer project. So, well, I have to launch the application again, and you will see how India starts playing its sounds and displaying its information once the application is running. Okay, the application is about to start again. I just added India as a country in my application. The idea of this is that in the future I will be able to add all the countries in the world and get information about all of that countries. The seventh, now as you can see here, a seventh sound was loaded. This is the anthem of India, and once the application is launched, I will show you how does it work. I'm dragging into India, and the national anthem is playing, as you can hear. Well, I will also return to Brazil, and I can move back to Argentina, which has the particularity that has a video The way you can add a video is really easy. You just came here with a line of code and you say, okay, to this country I would like to add a video of 362 frames. And well, if you have in your data folder a folder with the name of the country and with these frame images uploaded to it, it will start playing the video as you can see here. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it. I apologize for my English. I know it's not the best, but I try to do the best to explain what I did. Well, as I said, it's a really simple application, but all this stuff was pretty challenging because I tried to do something interactive, simple, and dynamic. So thank you for listening and watching, and I hope to see you in the next peer assessment.